So as we move forward to our next model unit, which is Ciara Model, no? How many square meter to, by the way, for its lot area?
The lot area is minimum 100 square meter and the floor area is 89.7 square meter.
So they could also choose sa mga available na mga cut size natin, no? Depende kung anong mapipili nila. But that's the minimum lot requirement for the Ciara. And again, it's somehow similar with the Dara na meron din siyang carport, no?
Yes.
And of course, you could have your garden dito. And by the way, when it comes to fencing, ma'am, are you very strict when it comes to enhancement or improvement ng mga units? Or hindi naman?
Hindi naman masyado, pero meron kaming 4 types ng fence na pwede nilang ipagawa.
Kasi I saw some of the homeowners dito, they already built their fence, no? So for security purposes as well, no?
Yes.
Okay, let's go inside. As we've entered dito sa Ciara Model, actually it's really far different from the Dara model.
Yes.
They do have different layouts, which is yun on your right side, Miss Rufa. It's already the
dining area,
which has a capacity of 6-seater din.
there.
And also, beside it is also the
kitchen area.
Clean kitchen.
Yes, clean kitchen.
Kasi typical Filipino family are really fond of the dirty kitchen, which pwede nyong ilagay at the back of your house.
Yes, we have here the 2-meter setback.
So, ganun siya kalaki pa,
Yes.
na 2 meters pa. So, you could also have your laundry and your dirty kitchen. So, pwede naman din ipa-improve yun, no, Ms.
Yes.
Rufa? Okay. So, again, this is 2-meter setback pa from the ng property line nyo pa. Okay? So, on our left side, Ms. Rufa, again, you have your living area. Yan, may mga pasofa pa tayo dito. And you could also place your television here. And also, on our ground floor, you could also have your
common
toilet and bathroom.
So this is the common toilet and bath here in Ciara Model sa ating ground floor. Same with Dara, we also have our toilet and bath door sliding. Para sa tipid sa space.
So as we move forward to our second floor, so we have 3 bedrooms here. So let me proceed with the master's bedroom. So this is your master's bedroom where the magic happens. But Ms. Rufa, may question ako pala. When it comes to the master's bedroom, I believe there's still space here na pwede siyang pa-balcony ba? Would it be possible? Kasi to really, enhance the unit natin.
Yes, lahat po kasi ng kailangan at gustong ipabago ni client, subject for approval.
Pero kasi napansin namin dito, I believe, kung gusto mong magka-access with your balcony, no?
Yes.
Parang tapat din siya or below the carport siya. So at least somehow, may na-maximize din yung space. If in any case, sooner or later, gustong ipa-improve ni client. Right? Alright.
So beside our master's bedroom, we have our second bedroom in which pwede dito yung mga anak.
And of course, to our last bedroom, ito yung, kumbaga, may partition na siya from the second room nyo, no, for privacy purposes. So, if you have 2 kids, so pwede siya from one boy and to another girl. So, ayun. And right beside the third bedroom is your common toilet and bathroom. So, I hope you've enjoyed our quick virtual house tour here in Tiera Rica. So, magkano ba yung mga units natin? That's the most important to ask Ms. Rufa. So, with our Ciara and Dara model unit.
Yung Dara model po natin nasa 4.9M and yung ating pong Ciara ay naka-promo until This March,
March.
2024, nasa 4.1M lang siya.
And what are the financing option that our client can avail?
As of now, we offer in-house financing and bank financing.
Oh, yun. So, how about pag-ibig?
As of now po, hindi pa namin na-offer si Pag-ibig.
Pero soon, they could also avail if ever man na ma-approve tayo kay pag-ibig.
Hopefully po
Hopefully.
soon.
Yep.
Yeah.
And yun nga, when it comes to the payment terms and prices, so as of today's recording, so ganun yung mga price because here sa real estate, it appreciates in value over time. So that's why you have to stay tuned on our YouTube channel and feel free to contact us for more details and for more information about this project, and we're more than happy to help you. Bye for now!